The popularity of dispensing ivermectin as a treatment for COVID-19 continues to rise, despite warnings against this. The drug is used to kill parasites in animals and is not approved for humans. Even so, some doctors are prescribing it for the coronavirus. Reporter Mawande Kheswa has more.
The black market has hailed ivermectin as a miracle drug in treating COVID-19. That's even though it has not been approved for use in humans. This doctor, who wished to remain anonymous, tried it on himself.
I was diagnosed with COVID-19 about 3 weeks ago, and being placed in the high-risk group as pre-diabetic, obese and a smoker, I had no option but to try ivermectin for myself. I've had minimal side effects, I hardly felt any body pains, and I've recovered quite uneventfully.
It's important to know that the South African Health Products Regulatory Authority has prohibited the drug's use.
It hasn't been tested, there are no clinical trials available, and it is considered to be unsafe at this stage.
The health department has also said there isn't enough evidence for it to recommend the medication. So what sparked the interest in the drug?
It might, in the laboratory setting, in a petri dish, have some kind of effect against a virus, but at what dosage that effect would be is certainly not been determined at all.
And using the drugs on humans could be risky.
We have to be very cautious about using animal-grade ivermectin and such products for human use. Certainly, even in animals and in dogs, certainly we have in the collie breeds a certain gene. If the dog doesn't have a certain gene and isn't able to have cells that protect itself, it can cause blindness and paralysis and even death.
Despite the numerous warnings from health authorities, the demand for the drug is increasing.
So there's a huge drive, including groups on Facebook, WhatsApp, even local community groups. But with the black market of this drug carrying on, the prices have really skyrocketed. From being usually 10 Rand per dose, the dose has now gone up to 100 Rand, sometimes even more.
Earlier in the week, police arrested a 43-year-old man for the illegal possession of ivermectin valued at 100,000 Rand. They also raided Ahmed Al-Qadi Hospital in Mayville in Durban, which they allege was dispensing the banned drug. Mawande Kheswa, Durban.